afternoon, sir. Shall we start the program?
Yes, madam, we can start, madam. We request give introduction, madam.
Good fortune is what happens when opportunity meets with planning. A cheerful good afternoon to one and all gathered here. Today we have all gathered here for the online webinar on the title The Role of GATE and Other Competitive Exams organized by the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Paavai Engineering College in association with Institution Innovation Council and the Institution of Engineers India. I now invite T. Jaisurya from final year ECE to deliver the vision and mission of our institution and department.
Vision of the institution: to strive to be globally model institution, all set for taking a lead role in grooming a younger generation socially responsible and professionally competent to face the challenges ahead. Mission of the institution: to provide goal-oriented, quality-based and value-added education through the state-of-the-art technology and path with international standards, to promote national building activities in science, technology, humanity and management through research, to create and sustain a community of learning to strive on a social, ethical, ecological, cultural, and economic upliftment. Vision of the department: to provide quality technical education and prepare the students to become well qualified electronics and communication engineers competent to face global challenges and to serve the society by acquiring adequate professional knowledge and skills by training. Mission of the department: quality education to provide innovative, competent, and goal oriented electronics and communication engineers through cutting edge educational experience. Technology updation to to enrich the knowledge of the student by imparting state-of-the-art technology so that they will satisfactorily serve the society. Employability: to improve the employability of the students through industry institution relationship and make them industry ready. Research and development: to extend the knowledge of the faculty members and the students continuously through research and development initiatives.
Thank you, sister. A welcoming heart makes a home. I now invite T. Safrin Safana from third year ECE to welcome the gathering.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for the webinar on the topic of Unlocking Opportunities, the Role of GATE and Other Competitive Exams, organized by the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering of Paavai Engineering College, in association with Institution Innovation Council and Institutions of Engineers India. On behalf of ET Department, I would like to extend my warm welcome to our most respected principal, sir, who is an inspiration for all of us. It's my immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Arjun Chabra, faculty member, ACE Engineering Academy, Hyderabad, and also Jaiprakash sir for his support in organizing this event. Welcome you, sirs. I'm glad to welcome our head of the department. Welcome you, ma'am. I'm happy to welcome all the faculty members, coordinators. Welcome you, sirs and madams. It's my immense pleasure to welcome all my brothers and sisters. Once again, I welcome you all.
Thank you, sister. I now invite S. Sri Sabari from final year ECE to introduce the guest speaker of the day.
Good evening to all. I feel happy to introduce our chief guest of the day, Mr. Arjun Chabra, a distinguished faculty member from ACE Engineering Academy, Hyderabad. Mr. Arjun's impressive academic background includes an M.Tech degree from Delhi Technological University, and he has been qualified for the GATE examination 5 times. He also has an teaching experience of 8 years. He has guided numerous students towards success in competitive exams such as GATE, ESE, SSC and RRB. His vast experience and expertise have benefited over 7,000 students across India, fostering a deeper understanding of complex engineering concepts. As a motivational speaker, he has engaged audience in premium polytechnic colleges and engineering institutions nationwide through seminars and webinars. We are privileged to have you for this online webinar. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, brother. Without any further delay, I request our guest speaker to address this gathering.
Yes, so my screen and my video is visible. Can you please acknowledge that first? And then I will start.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, so good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. My name is Arjun Chabra, as being told in the introduction, and I'm a part of ACE Learning Academy and ACE Online platform. And I have been teaching for GATE, Engineering Services Exam, PSUs, and State Service Commission jobs, and various other smaller level competitive examinations like SSC JEE, RRB JEE, like that, for the last almost 8 years. And I'm associated with ACE Learning Academy for the last 4 years now. So, see, today's session, as I'm being told, most of the students are from electronics communication background. My background is not similar to that of electronics communication. I'm from civil engineering background, but um, in today's session, we'll be talking more about what are the current market trends, and in the sense how you can use your graduate degree, BTech degree specifically, um, after you graduate once and for all, and what are the opportunities, emerging opportunities in electronics communication, and also most of the students, I know that most of the students have also filled gate examination form as well, who will be attending this session. So I'll be talking more about the gate examination as well, how to prepare for this examination, and what are the key things which you need to keep in mind for the year 2025, which is in February, right? The examination will be in Feb, and how your preparation journey should be in the last couple of months, which are left. Around 70 days are left for the examination. So, how your preparation should be in this last phase, and what should you focus on? I'll be enlightening that particular topic as well, right? Now, what are the current market trends in general? Um, I guess some students from civil and mechanical have also joined, right? Am I correct? Can you please respond on this? Are there students from mechanical and civil as well?
No, sir, only for EC students.
Only EC students. Okay. Chali, let's see. Now, see, whatever we are witnessing over here is that currently, what is a student mindset? Student mindset, whenever we see and whenever we visit various colleges throughout India, and we talk to training and placement officers, we talk to various HODs, we talk to various faculties, we come across a number which is very absurd in terms of the admissions, that most of the students are getting digressed towards computer science, right? There is a huge gap which is being currently experienced by the industry people right now, is that you are not able to find good electronics communication engineers or civil engineers or mechanical engineers in the market, especially in the core engineering domain. When I talk about all of these streams, we do not see that good number of strength over here right now in the current times, that it is so absurd in the sense that in 2016, the number of students who graduated from computer science as a domain were less than 2 lakhs. And in the year 2022, the number of students who graduated from computer science as a domain uh, were close to 22 lakhs, right? So you can see such high number of students graduating from computer science. And see, yes, COVID was a fuel to fire, uh, for the number of admissions. In the sense, especially after COVID happened, the number of admissions skyrocketed, right? So 12.9 lakhs students graduated in 2022. Close to 20 lakhs admissions are being witnessed in the current times. In the sense, there is BTech CSE, there is allied branches of CSE, there are um, BTech IT students separate, BCA students, MCA students, BSc Computer Science. So see, you can see a wide array of degrees being in engineering being, you know, digressed towards computer science as a domain. So this is the biggest problem right now, and what we are witnessing is that the colleges are being encouraged now to increase their number of admissions in core engineering branches as well. So why I am pointing out this to the students? See, these students will be graduating afterwards after 4 years, right? Please do not underestimate the demand in electronics communication in the current times. Most of the students I know in core engineering branches, they try to digress towards computer science as a domain, and they are kind of switching their core engineering domain as well. Now, first of all, there are already too many students over there. Now we are becoming a part of that, crowd, and leaving our core engineering domain. That is somewhat not advisable to the students of core engineering domain specifically. This is the most important point I wanted to enlighten before I start this webinar. What I used to see in last 2-3 years is that students in core engineering domains preparing for coding jobs and everything, right, acquiring basic skills of coding and everything, some softwares they are learning. See, learning a new skill is not um, you know I'm not discouraging you to learn a new skill like coding. It is very, very important. You should have a knowledge of that, get it, but not altogether, you know drop your stream and go towards computer science. Many students are doing it. It is not advisable. Second, it is that some students are there who are interested in computer science. That is some other case. But what I see is people are just following placements. Placements are important. I know placements are important. Money is important. But the point is, whenever there will be a huge supply, this is a basic law of economics. Whenever there will be huge supply of people or any commodity, right? I'm considering people as a commodity only because humans are resources in general for the industries. So whenever there will be huge supply of people in a specific engineering domain, the amount of money which you will earn will be correspondingly very less, right? So there is not that much demand and the supply is huge. This is the biggest point you need to realize. When we are as students going to our colleges, 4 years we are spending with our friends in that area, in that proximity only, we are kind of unaware of what is happening outside. And we are also in the current times being aware of the content which we are viewing on YouTube, Instagram, like that. Currently, there are a lot of people who are trying to sell you courses in sense of, you know, do this course in computer science, do that course in computer science, do this course in computer science, it will give you. Because those people who are selling it, they know that there are a lot of students in computer science and they are trying to increase their sales. So this is the biggest point I wanted to address to the electronics communication students. Please follow the opportunities which are there in your domain first. And if you are not able to crack it, then think of going towards any other field out there. First, see, there is one saying in Hindi. We say, "Apni thali mein pehle dekho." What do we say in this is, please first focus what is there in your plate and what are the opportunities through your engineering domain. That is the biggest point of discussion over here when I talk about the current market trends. See, current market trends actually over here represents what? The mindset of the students, right? And Market trends, yes, there are emerging opportunities. There are emerging sectors like semiconductor technology is there, chip manufacturing and everything. There are n number of research programs which are being run in India, which are being, funded by the government itself, where you can go. But the point is, if you're not interested in that particular domain and you are just following money, then that is actually, not the point of discussion over here. And it is kind of representing the mindset of the students when we are digressing towards only money, right? So we have to find out an opportunity in which there is good money, as well as the scope is also very good, not immediate money. Immediate money is always very bad. Always keep this in mind. So we'll be discussing about the opportunities after your master's degree corresponding to that as well. And broadly speaking, when I talk about engineering as a domain, we have these opportunities, especially core engineers. There is gate examination for us. There is engineering services examination for us. There are PSUs. There are state service commission jobs. SSC JE is there. RRB JE is there, and obviously IT and tech jobs are there. Now, yes, I am not focusing on the college placements right now. You more than me, you understand what is your opportunity in your college. I am not aware of this. So I'll not be focusing on the college placements. Apart from college placements, what are the opportunities for you? Mainly, you should focus on first four like this. So GATE, Engineering Services Exam, which is only for core engineers, PSUs, State Service Commission, and various junior level examinations as well. Otherwise, non-engineering domain, many students out there in 4 years of the college, they tend to realize that engineering is not for them. And they are more inclined towards management when they take part in a lot of, let's say, activities in their colleges, and they bring in promotions, they bring in sponsored events and everything. So many students tend to realize that they are inclined towards management. So MBA is one of the best options for you through CAT examination. It is one of the best ways to switch towards management roles out there. So CAT examination, you can appear for that and you can prepare for CAT examination in your final year. And please aim for tier 1 colleges only for MBA programs. Then only it will be beneficial for you. Otherwise, I don't think so any point is there for going for MBA programs from tier 2 or tier 3 colleges, because you'll be paying hefty amounts of money and correspondingly the amount of money you will be earning is very less. So it is not a good resource of or advisement in terms of return on investment, how much money you will be spending and how much money you will be earning. So it is not that good. But otherwise, from tier 1 colleges, there is good exposure and good placement opportunities will be witnessed, right? And good roles are there as well. But what I'll say is, correspondingly, GATE examination, MTech programs and management programs, what you are being offered through GATE right now, they are much better in the sense of how much money you will be spending in the course. It is comparatively very, very less. It is actually 5 to 10% of how much amount of money you will be spending uh, in MBA programs. So approximately in MBA programs, you'll be spending around 25 to 30 lakhs in tier 1 colleges. But in MTech programs or management programs through GATE examination in tier 1 colleges like IITs and ITs, consider other universities like VIT, Bilor Institute of Technology, consider BITS Pilani, consider Jadavpur University, consider some Delhi universities as well. Delhi Technological University is there. Jamia Millia Islamia is there. So these universities, you are getting good exposure, and amount of money you are spending in your MTech programs is very, very less. So somewhere around net less than 1 lakh rupees you will be spending. How it is, I'll let you know how the fees is less and how it is reduced uh, because of the scholarships. I'll let you know through GATE examination. So amount of money you will be spending over there, it will be very, very less, and the placements are much better. So it is a much better opportunity in terms of return on investment if you talk like that. Otherwise, I'm not talking about people who are highly interested in some sector. See, 99% of the people always think like this, ki how much money they will be spending and how much money they will be earning. This is the basic crux of everything and mindset of everything. And this is not wrong. This is absolutely correct when you don't know anything about what you want to pursue in life, right? So it is one of the best ways to judge anything. Otherwise, when I talk about MBA programs, if you are interested in that, it's very good. Exposure is good. I'm not saying that exposure is not good. Let's first start focus on gate examination and what are the opportunities through gate examination and why I consider gate as one of those examinations in which you got nothing to lose. There is nothing to lose in this exam, right? In every step of the way, how am irrespective of how many marks you'll be getting, there will be some opportunity for you, right? And in the worst case scenario, you can use your gate score in your college placements to segregate yourself from the students who will be there alongside of you in the placements, right? So what is GATE? GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test for Engineering. It is jointly conducted by top 7 IITs and IIC Bangalore every year in the month of February. What are the opportunities? You can see. These are the opportunities, these are the sectors in which you get opportunities. There are PSUs, there are MTech MS programs, there's management programs, there are research opportunities. You can go for PhD, CSIR, BARC, DRDO, ISRO. These organizations you can appear for through GATE examination, right? These are some PSUs in which you get enrolled um, through GATE examination at management trainee level, executive trainee level, and in some of these PSUs, which are Maharatna PSUs, like ONGC, Indian Oil, NTPC, Hindustan Petroleum, the amount of money you'll be earning is somewhere between 20 to 25 lakhs. After this, um, the second point is if I want to pursue my interest in core engineering domain, the type of work which I'll be doing, Bharat Electronics is very good. People surprisingly consider BSNL as very bad. I don't think so. They are bad because BSNL is one of the best options for you right now. Yesterday only they released their 5G chips as well. They are doing good work and they are progressing in their work as well. And they are a good support for the private industry as well. Consider Reliance Jio and other network cellular networks. So BSNL is a support for them. They are also well inclined with ISRO in some of the projects. Like previously, they were inclined with the Chandrayaan project as well. BSNL is doing good work in electronics domain. So do not consider BSNL as a bad company to go for as far as the exposure is concerned and the type of projects which are being given to BSNL. After this, there is HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Very good opportunities you can get in HAL. Yes, the work culture is a bit relaxed, but there is good research work which is going on in HAL in collaboration with the Defense Services of India right now. And currently, I had an experience of taking a mock interview of electronics student who had cleared engineering services examination, and they were appearing for mock interviews at Ace Training Academy. And I was talking to her, and she was from HAL, and at the age of 21 or 22, she cracked the GATE examination and went to HAL and she was currently associated with some of the projects which were um, inclined with Indian Army, Indian Air Force, like that. So good opportunities were there for her in HAL, right? EIL is also there, Engineers India Limited, good opportunities again. Otherwise, you can go for REC. There is CRIS as well. SCI is also there. Electronics Corporation of India is there. You can apply for that. Sometimes some of the students from electronics can also go towards organizations like Cabinet Secretariat. It's a central government organization again, and you will be recruited as a scientific officer over there, grade 1 position through GATE examination, right? So good opportunities are there through GATE if you score well in your exam. And to be, very serious about the number of students who are giving GATE exam through ECE right now. So last year, somewhere around 65 to 67,000 students. I'll show you the exact number. Students who appeared from ECE giving GATE examination. So see, pre-COVID, right, before COVID, the number of students was close to 2 lakhs who filled the form from electronics communication. The number has dropped drastically amongst the students who are appearing for this exam through your engineering stream. Opportunities have been increasing. Number of students giving GATE examination is less because most students have digressed towards computer science in the last 2 or 3 years. But now, if the number is less, I'm not saying the stream is bad. Electronics communication is one of the best streams out there. The number is less because the students have digressed towards computer science. And this is one of the best times for you. If you go towards GATE examination, then it will help you to get a very good company at a very, low score, which was not possible before COVID. It was not possible before COVID. One of our students secured somewhere around 62 marks and they were in top 200 ranks this year. I was so surprised and I congratulated him. Here, he was able to get one of the best companies out there. So he went to ONGC. So he got an opportunity. He went there. He got an opportunity from NTPC as well. He got an opportunity from NPCIL as well. He got an opportunity from HAL as well. See, this was not possible before COVID. So you are living in an era right now, which is one of the most golden opportunities for you. If you are going for GATE exam, there are n number of opportunities out there. And now the State Service Commission examinations, the the State Service Commissions, for example, recently Uttar Pradesh, they for UPPCL, Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited. So they were recruiting assistant engineer positions uh, through GATE examination, and they are planning to do that next year as well. Recently, Madhya Pradesh also did the same. So, see, state service commissions have started to consider GATE just like PSUs. Why? Because of the transparency which the GATE examination offers. See, the state level examinations, there is a chance that they can get leaked. There were a lot of issues regarding the paper leak and everything. So you have an opportunity corresponding to that. So if you are preparing for GATE, again, I'm saying you got nothing to lose. Then consider MTech eligibility and admission process. See, you can see all of this eligibility criteria. GATE result is declared every year in the month of March. Based upon that, candidates can apply in various colleges out there. You should aim for tier 1 colleges only. After that, shortlisting will be based upon GATE score. And most of the IITs, they will be conducting interviews for MTech admissions. It's, if you are getting good score in GATE examination, it is easier for you to crack those interviews as well if you prepare well. After this, uh, what I am trying to point out here is the point which I left before. It is the way you will be able to reduce your stipend. You will be able to reduce your fees. You will be getting 12,400 rupees stipend when you are pursuing your MTech. This accounts for 1.48 lakhs every year. So every year you are getting how much? 1.48 lakhs. This accounts for 3 lakhs, approximately 3 lakhs for 2 years. So 3 lakh rupees you are getting um, in return. Let's say your fees was somewhere around 1 lakh 70, 1 lakh 80. 1.5 lakhs is, reverse back to you. So you're getting back in the name of scholarship, GATE scholarship. It is given by Human Resource Ministry. If you're a GATE qualified student and you are pursuing MTech, so it is not there in MBA programs, right? In management programs, it is not there. And in colleges like BITS Pilani, you'll be getting extra stipend if you clear BITS Pilani's examination also. So this is the list of the top IITs you can see. As per NIRF ranking, everyone is aware of it. You can aim for, IIT Madras is one of the best institutions for you to pursue MTech right now. After this, NITs are there. You can see. From my point of view, these are good. And some other top universities you can see. You can aim for that for MTech programs. And for electrical electronic students, you can see for MTech specializations what you can consider: microelectronics and VLSI design, computational and data science, nanoscience engineering, robotics and AI, integrated circuits and systems, electronic systems, power systems and power electronics, control and instrumentation systems. After that, there is semiconductor technology. It is one of the best out there right now because of the emerging opportunities in India for semiconductor technology. You can aim for this. And the placements have been very good in almost all the IITs. I'll not focus too much on the money now. I have discussed about the money aspect of it. See, point is, don't take it to your heart that how much amount of money you will be getting after MTech through IIT placements and everything. And IIT placements are also very good. Um, See, people get too much serious on the numbers. Okay, placements are good. That is enough. You can see, right? They are very, very good. Now, now come to management through gate. Management through gate examination. So I told you that there are some management programs also. So in IIT Kanpur, there is management science program. Here it is known as MTech in DOMS. DOMS stands for Department of Management Science. In this particular case, you can apply for this program through your gate score only. Whatever you are getting in electronics communication right now, here you can go apply your gate score. And what is your minimum degree required? 55%. That's it. It is relaxable if you are from any category. After that, written test plus interview will be there. And the area of study, you can see probability and statistics, computing and operation research and management. If you are a student who is inclined towards going to industries which are focusing on supply chain management or operation research, such companies are everywhere. Every industry requires this. Consider e-commerce brands, consider quick commerce brands, consider core engineering brand domains as well. Supply chain is an issue every year. Supply chain has to be managed by the people. Every company requires it. Right? So these are the domains in which every sectors come and they recruit in these colleges. That's why they turn out to be very good. And moreover, you'll be getting stipends. So these management programs are very, very good in terms of placements as well. So mostly the students will be, inclined towards data science and artificial intelligence in this particular domain, how to use DS and AI and various other tips and tricks, which are inclined towards, data science, analyzing data, business analytics, like that. You are inclined towards Python, you are inclined towards Power BI, such Tableau, these data interpretation tools you will be learning, whatever is required, wherever the problem is there, strategic thinking, problem solving skills, interpersonal skills, communication skills, all of these will be taught to you in this particular domain, and it is one of the best out there. These domains uh, requirement are everywhere in every industry. So it is for those students who want to switch. So if you want to switch na, switch through a better opportunity. Not like ki, I'll go in computer science, I'll get a 3.5 lakh rupee package. Chalo, good. See, try to formulate a way. If you want to switch it in a better way, right? So that your qualification, in the sense, will not be an hindrance for you when you want, promotions in these companies. After that, there is MTech programs, industrial engineering and management is there. IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Delhi. Um, they are somewhat related to management science program in IIT Kanpur. Again, here gate score is required. your placements will be in supply chain operation analysis, like that only. And the area of study is approximately same, very less differences there. And again, you'll be placed in companies like this, right? So you can see from various sectors, banking is there, consulting is there, IT is there, Tata Motors, core engineering, mechanical engineering, quick commerce brands, logistic companies, FMCG company. See, again, you see these companies are not from one domain who are coming and recruiting the students. They're not from one domain. They are from various domains out there, right? Edelweiss insurance in insurance companies also you can get placements. So if you are looking out for wider array of opportunities, it is one of the best domains. One of our students, his name is Aditya. Again, he's from Kerala only. He's a civil engineering student. He cleared civil engineering gate examination. He got 71 marks this year. And see, this is an interdisciplinary branch. Here, all other engineering students can also apply. So he went there. He went to IIT Kharagpur. He went to IIT Kharagpur in industrial engineering domain, and he's enjoying a lot. He's learning a lot over there, and he has completely switched civil engineering in this domain to this domain, and he's doing mathematics, statistics, learning all the data science and AI skills over here, and he's enjoying because he wanted to do that, right? And there is MS by research opportunity in DS and AI also in IIT Bombay. And there also you can go if you want to switch to DS and AI, data science and artificial intelligence. And one more thing, there is an opportunity in IIT Madras as well. I guess I don't have the yes, this one. IIT Madras as well, MTech Industrial Mathematics and Scientific Computing. So it is somewhat similar to that of industrial engineering only, but there are a couple of changes in the syllabus. There is computational analysis also. There is cryptography as well, in which you'll get opportunity in IIT Madras. See, one more thing. This is known as what MTech Mathematics, but the name of the program is Industrial Mathematics. It is conducted by Department of Maths, Department of Mathematics in IIT Madras. So keep this in mind. When you are applying for interdisciplinary branch, there will be a chance that other departments of that particular university will be taking your gate score, electronics communication score. See, most of the students, when they will be going to the website of IIT Madras, they will search whatever the Department of Electronics Communication are giving you MTech opportunities, you'll be applying over there. No, you don't have to do it like this. Download the brochure of MTech admissions and then see what other interdisciplinary branches in which I can apply. What I mean by this interdisciplinary is that in which these are the branches which are open for all the engineering domains. There are n number of opportunities in food technology. There are n number of opportunities in education technology. There are MTech programs in these IITs only in which you can apply with good placements. See, point is, before applying, you have to be very keen, or you have to show interest in that particular domain, then only you should apply. Otherwise, do not leave your engineering domain. If you are not sure about the switching of your engineering domain, for example, if you want to go to food technology, the students who are having some kind of experience in food, or their family business, or their relatives are doing some kind of work in that particular domain, they will try to incline themselves in that particular domain, right? There are good startup opportunities from there. um, Education technology as well. If you are inclined towards education as an industry, as a business, then it's a very good opportunity. right? And it is one of the best emerging domains because of the low cost required for starting a business in education technology right now, right? After this, there are research opportunities as well. You can go for CSIR, Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. It is one of the best organizations in India in which you can apply for JRF. You can apply it after your BTech, after your MTech as well. Um, you can go for DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. JRF gate opportunity is there. Here you are getting monthly stipend of 37,000 rupees. After that, there is BARC examination or BARC in general through GATE examination is there. Here you will be trained in nuclear engineering and technology, and two programs are there: OCES and DGFS. Orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates. It is a 1 year program. Monthly stipend of 74,000 rupees is given over here. And there is DAE graduate fellowship scheme. Monthly stipend of 74,000 rupees again. 2 year program it is. Here DAE stands for Department of Atomic Energy. It is there in various IITs and NITs. You'll be sponsored by BARC to pursue MTech in this domain, right? So no money you are required to spend for that MTech program. That is why it is 2 year program, and the training will be in BARC campus itself. And during that training phase of 4 or 6 months like that, you'll be getting 74,000 rupees per month. And after training is over, you are required to give an examination, and you will be absorbed as scientific officers in various establishments of BARC. After this, PMRF scheme is there, Prime Minister Research Fellowship Scheme. It is one of the best out there. You can use your GATE score. Minimum CGPA 8 is required over here, and you can pursue um, PhD if you want, directly after your BTech also and after your MTech as well. Stipend is much better than regular PhD programs. You can see in regular PhD programs, the current revised stipend is 37,000 rupees and 45,000 rupees, I guess, per month. And the first 2 years it is 37,000 rupees, and last 3 years it is 45,000 rupees, like that. Currently in the regular PhD, but in PMRF scheme it is 70, 75,000 and 80,000 rupees. Here a research grant of 2 lakh rupees every year is given, which is another difference, and total of 10 lakh rupees you are getting. Rigorous selection procedure is there in this particular domain. And there are some foreign universities as well, which use GATE score for MS programs. Here scholarship opportunities are also there. There's Nanyang Technological University, National University of Singapore, RWTH Aachen University, and Technical University of Munich. You can apply over here and go and appear for GATE examination like that. Right. I hope this is clear to everyone. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Anyone? If you want to ask me doubt, please be open to ask doubts. Now I will move towards the second phase of our discussion, which is, which was told to me that most of the students who are attending this session have filled the GATE form, and they will be appearing for GATE examination next year in 2025 in the month of February. So let's start with how to prepare and what should be your strategy in general and also in this last phase. See, whatever the opportunities you have seen until now, it is through this one exam, and all of that is only possible if you do the required thing. The things and the possibilities are only there for you if you crack such examinations. Right. So what is the basic strategy in general when you start your preparation? Because I know there will be some students who have not started their preparation, or they will think of GATE exam. In general, first you need to realize that whatever the difference is there in semester exams and competitive exams, it is hell a lot. In the sense, competitive exams require somewhat different dedication altogether. I know students who appear for semester examinations, they are thinking in the sense, Arey, let's see, 1 or 2 days are left. We will give the examination, no issue. We'll prepare 1 or 2 days before the examination. Many students do it like this. I know some students will be there who will be coming early in the morning and they'll say to their friends, "Arey yaar, please teach me this particular topic." Whatever his friend, his or her friend will teach him or her, what they will do is they'll write everything what they have told to them, and they will get marks and they will get pass, and they'll get passing marks and they are happy with that. This ideology is actually very harmful for you when you appear in the industry, right? Managing your work in the industry in general, managing your knowledge and also upskilling alongside of that, you will not do it like this when you are working in the industry, right? When you prepare for competitive examination, kind of you are making yourself equipped for the industry also. How well you are managing your subjects, how much you are revising your subjects, how you are focusing on your conceptual upbringing, solving your mistakes, rectifying also your mistake, and also analyzing that where is the future possibility where I can make those mistakes. If I am researching about that particular subject more or not, what is the industry influence of the subject which is being taught to me? These are the questions, and the answers to these questions you are required to find out in your 4 years of degree. Many people are not doing it. These questions are required to be solved by the students in their 4 years of degree when they come to their bachelor's, right? So next step comes, first, if I am sure if I want to appear for such competitive exams, start with the previous year questions. Understand the level first. Understand the language of the examination. See, engineering services and GATE, the technical syllabus will be same, but altogether the language of the questions which is being used in both the examinations and the mindset of the examiner is way different. You'll be doing or you'll be reading the same subject, but the level of questions which will be asked will be very different. The language very different. Engineering services examination prelim specifically, it is more inclined towards theoretical aspect. GATE examination is more inclined towards numerical aspect, numerical solving ability. So both are required to be studied parallelly. By just solving numericals, you'll say ki ha, are I know how to solve the numericals, I'll crack the examination. No, you cannot do it. You have to be conceptually strong because they will induce those theoretical concepts in those numerical questions, right? Just by remembering a particular formula will not help you, or using some tips and tricks will not help you. Yes, in some way it will be helpful for some questions, but you will not be getting good ranks and you'll not be able to crack interviews of IITs, IIC Bangalore like that. And even for big tech firms, if you want to clear those hurdles, you have to be good with your conceptual upbringing. And these competitive examinations force you to study at that level, right? Step 3 comes based upon that, based upon what is your current level, make a strategic plan. Analyze your mistakes, analyze where you are lagging behind. Based upon that, follow your approach. I don't know what is your level right now. Your level, mostly the students do not know their own level as well, right? If you want to understand your level, practice, read, ask questions from your faculties. Then only you will understand this. And this is the basic approach for any competitive exam whichever you see. Your aim should be going and approaching towards higher level examinations like GATE and engineering services. Then afterwards, you can focus on lower level examinations like SSC JEE, RRB JEE, and you can go for your state examinations as well. Right? Whenever the faculty will come, they will teach you, they'll give you important formulas. You'll practice those formulas, you'll practice those concepts, you'll understand those concepts, you'll learn to apply those formulas, and you'll learn to apply those concepts in the numerical questions. You'll practice previous year questions of GATE examination. You'll practice engineering services objective questions as well. You'll practice engineering services mains examination questions also. You'll revise your notes parallelly. You'll make your short notes as well. And also alongside of it, keep this in mind, you're not only studying one subject at a time, you will be studying more than one subject at a time. So you have to manage the previous year questions of all the exams, important concepts, formulas, notes for all the subjects all together at same time. This requires time management. This requires your emotional management, because most of the times it will be very emotionally suppressing for you. It can be suppressing for you because you'll be getting demotivated a lot. You'll be having your high points, you'll be having your low points. Point is how well you are managing your emotions also, you'll be learning that. Your dedication will be improved, and your resilience to handle such issues and such competitiveness at national level, you'll be facing that. So this improves your personality and this changes your personality altogether. And this I have faced myself. And these changes I have witnessed in myself as well during the preparation journey. What I was before the start of my preparations, it is way different than what I am right now because of this exam. Right? It is way different. I don't want to get too much into this because this will require some other lecture and discussion over here. But see, after that, also parallelly, in the current time, you need to focus on the test series more than your notes. Whenever you will be approaching towards the examination, just like right now, focus more on solving as many questions as you can, and especially through test series. What you are doing when you are solving a test series, you are trying to analyze your mistakes, you are trying to manage time, you are trying to improve accuracy, and you are trying to increase your speed. So all in all, you are trying to improve speed, accuracy, and improving your concepts. These three things you are fulfilling when you are practicing questions through test series. Right? So these three aspects are required in the actual exam as well. Speed, accuracy, and your conceptual upbringing. These three things. That's it. Wherever you are witnessing that you are following any drawbacks in these three aspects, try to cover it up. It can be some concept, it can be a new concept. There can be some silly mistakes you are doing, conceptual mistakes you are doing. Try to rectify them. There can be some problem solving issues. You are not well equipped with the scientific calculator of GATE examination. You are making silly mistakes. Try to rectify them with time. And also, alongside of it, you are revising your concepts as well. Alongside of it, you are improving your speed as well. How well you are writing in the scribble pad which will be given to you during the phase of the examination. You are trying to improve your speed in that aspect also. You are getting well equipped with the scientific calculator which will be given to you on the screen. Just like these test series, mock tests are just like practice matches. You for the main match, for the main cricket match, you need to have a good net practice. You need to have good practice matches before the actual match. Right? Same is for all the competitive examinations. Right? Follow this approach. This is required. And I'm not saying this is a shortcut. This is not a shortcut. This is not a 1 month or 2 month strategy. If you are starting right now, it will take time. Otherwise, if you have been preparing in this last phase, focus more on test series. 80% of your time should be dedicated towards this, right? And 20% notes. And what are the salient features of GATE examination? You can see. It's a computer-based exam. 3 types of questions are asked in this. MCQ, MSQs, and NATs. MCQ is multiple choice questions. MSQs is multiple select questions. NATs are numerical ability type questions. General aptitude, 10 questions, 15 marks. Every question will be 1 mark or a 2 mark question. Engineering discipline, 55 questions, 85 marks. Negative marking will be only in MCQ questions. Total questions will be 65, 100 marks, 3-hour examination, and there is no negative marking in NAT and MCQ questions. Right. And briefly, you can see about engineering services exam also. So engineering services examination is conducted by UPSC. It is for the core engineering domains. In final year, you are eligible to apply for this exam. There is no limit of number of attempts. These are the vacancies in which you can go and can get recruited through engineering services examination. And also now Indian Railways is also back. Indian Railway Management Services will be recruiting the engineers, core engineers through engineering services examination now. So you have an opportunity through that as well. And what is the eligibility criteria for engineering services? See, this examination requires Indian candidates. Age limit is 21 to 30 years. Relaxation is there for categories. After that, in your engineering degree can apply. Engineering students can apply. And also, you can see this examination is not a one-day exam. This is a 3-stage examination. Stage 1, you can see paper 1. In the stage 1, it will be objective type. 2 papers will be there. First paper will be GS and engineering aptitude, 200 marks, and 100 questions will be there. Each and every question will be of 2 marks. In the evening, there will be one more paper, paper 2, that will be your stream specific. Electronics communication questions will be asked. Total 150 questions will be there. Each question 2 marks, 300 marks. Total stage 1 will be 500 marks. Students who will clear stage 1 will go towards stage 2. Stage 2, it is again 2 papers in the stage 2. Both will be your written paper, written examination, just like your semester exams, but it will be, somewhat a bit hefty. Hefty in the sense, your entire syllabus, your entire subjects, whatever you have studied in 4 years of your engineering degree, mainly in your second year and third year, they will be divided into 2 parts. First part will be asked in paper 1. Second part will be asked in paper 2. Both 300 marks. Total 600 marks. Stage 1 plus stage 2, 1100 marks. Whosoever will clear stage 2 will go towards stage 3. That is your personality test. That is your interviews in which you will be given marks out of 200. Total this examination is of 1300 marks. Right. So again, it is a bit tougher than engineering services. It is a bit tougher than GATE examination because it requires a good patience level, good preparation. I'll not say that the questions level is very difficult than GATE examination. The level of questions is approximately same, but the point is the process is a bit lengthy. It requires a good time for your selection process and dedication is required. These are the GATE cutoff marks for the year 2024. You can see. Not, this will not be same every year. It can vary. Any doubt in this, anyone? And you can see the electronics communication students at the last. The number is 64,000. Yeah, approximately. Yes. And these are your subjects of electronics communication and weightage of each and every subject in the last 12 years. You can see. Any doubt in this, anyone? Now I am open for the doubts. Please be open to ask doubts. Are there any questions? Are there any questions, anyone? So yes, as I've told you that we are from ACE Indian Academy and ACE Online platform. To all the students who are listening to this session, um, we are offering ACE Online self-paced programs, exclusive online live classes, classroom coaching programs, postal coaching programs, online offline test series, interview guidance program at ACE Indian Academy. Self-paced program, you can download our application ACE Online through Apple App Store, uh, Google Play Store, and also Windows Store as well. Our application is accessible everywhere on all the electronic devices. You can go through our application, and whatever the courses are there on ACE Online platform, you can enroll in that and get a 7 days of free trial, and you'll be getting good opportunities for preparation in these examinations. 30 plus exam videos are available over there, and you can go for subscription plans of 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, and 24 months if you want. And study material also is also available on the same application, and the study material will be delivered to you at your doorsteps. The physical books will be given to you. Online test series is there. You can enroll in online test series, especially if you're preparing for GATE 2025 next year. Please go for this. It will be a very good step ahead in your preparation. And we have had an incredible track record for the last 28 years, as you can see, in both GATE and engineering services, and also SSC, JEE, RRB, JEE as well. And our exclusive online live classes are starting. If you want to prepare for the year 2026 or 2027, exclusive online live classes are getting started. Long-term batches have started from 1st of November, and also next batch will be starting from 1st of December, and regular batches will be starting in January, February, and March. 24 Jan, 23rd February, and 24th of March. Um, and classroom coaching in Hyderabad also, it is there. There are good offers for you if you want to go towards classroom coaching program. And please do register for ACE scholarship test as well on 15th of December. Now, last date of registration is 13th of December. This is one of the best ways for you to get an opportunity for scholarship on the course fees. Um, Good concessions are given to the students. Up to 100% concessions we are giving to the students who are appearing for a scholarship test. A very small amount, 100 rupees, we are charging to the students. This is a national level scholarship test we are conducting all over India, and students from all over India will be applying for this examination, and it will be a good exposure for you in the sense of going towards and approaching towards an examination. And also one more thing, that this will help you in the sense ki how much amount of concession I can get in my courses, the fee course, if you are willing to come for ACE Engineering Academy in future. And this examination you can give at your home, at your computers itself, right? You don't need to travel anywhere for this examination. You can scan this QR code if you want and click a screenshot if you want. And otherwise, you can call on this number if you have any query. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can get in touch with me through LinkedIn. My name is Arjun Chabra. I'm faculty at ACE Learning Academy and ACE Online platform. You can get in touch with me over there. Right? So that's it from my side. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope I was able to give you a different perspective towards what are the current market trends and how you can approach for examinations like GATE and engineering services. Right. So thank you for listening to me. I hope you enjoyed and you were able to get some insights, better insights for approaching for your future. Thank you very much. Jay Prakash ji. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Huh.
such a wonderful and innovative webinar. Hope the students has been very much useful for the students. Students, if you have any queries, I have shared my numbers in the number you may contact. Now it's time to conclude the session.
Thank you, sir. No duty is more urgent than giving thanks. I now invite S. Ranjit Kumar from final year ECE to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening to one and all gathered here. I seem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First of all, I express my heartfelt thanks to the Almighty for making today's event a resounding success. I extend my special thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Arjun Chabra, faculty member, ACE Engineering Academy, Hyderabad, and also Mr. Jayaprakash sir for his support in organizing this event. Thank you, sirs. I also express my heartfelt thanks to our principal sir for his valuable contribution. Thank you, sir. My sincere thanks to our head of the department for her guidance. Thank you, madam. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our faculty coordinators, Mr. S. Vijay Kumar sir and Mrs. S. Vijaya madam. Thank you, sir and madam. I thank all our faculty members for their encouragement in all our efforts. Thank you, sirs and madams. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the students who attended the webinar. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, brother. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, students, and wish you all the best. Thank you, students.